Welcome back to another recording of the Elevate Media Podcast. I'm Chris Anderson, your host. Today, we're going to be talking about business bank accounts. Now, we're not financial institutions. We're not anything like that. So this is just guidance. Obviously, seek out your own financial advice from those professionals in your life. But this is just some guidance, things that we've learned along the way with business bank accounts. And so we wanted to share that with you. Managing a business's finances can be complex, but one fundamental way to keep everything on track is by organizing your funds into these 4 key bank accounts. We're going to dive into each of those, what they're for, and why they're important. So each account serves a distinct purpose, and the 4 bank accounts you need for your business to be successful and to operate correctly are operations, payroll, taxes, and savings. So let's dive into how each of these accounts function and why not having them could pose risks to your business. So first, the operations account. This account is the hub of your daily business transactions. It's where you'll manage all the cash inflows and the outflows that occur from regular business activities. These are things like expenses for rent, utilities, supplies, payments from customers. Keeping these funds separate from other types of expenses help in tracking and managing operational cash flow efficiently, providing a clear view of your business's financial health at any moment. Then you have the payroll account. This is a dedicated account that's essential for any business with employees, contracted or W-2. This account is used exclusively for the salaries, the wages, the bonuses, and related taxes. Having a separate payroll account simplifies the complexities of payroll management, ensuring that funds are always available to meet payroll obligations, and it helps in adhering to labor laws and tax regulations as well. It also protects the other areas of your business finances from any discrepancies or errors that might come up in payroll processing. The third account, your tax account. Setting aside funds in a separate tax account is crucial for financial discipline and compliance. This account should cover all expected tax liabilities, including income tax, sales tax, and payroll tax as needed. Again, reach out to your financial professionals, your tax pros to make sure everything's how it should be. We're just giving guidance. By allocating money to this account consistently, you can avoid common pitfalls of spending funds meant for taxes on other expenses. Not having a dedicated tax account can lead to serious financial penalties and interest charges due to delayed or missed tax payments. So plan for that happening, take the correct percentage out, put that in your tax account, and let it sit there. And then the last account, your savings account. This account for your business acts as a financial buffer and investment in future growth. This account can be used for emergency funds, capital investments, or to save for slower business periods. Having this financial cushion can be crucial during unexpected situations and can also fund opportunities for expansion without the need to seek external financing. If you neglect to maintain a savings account, it can leave your business financially vulnerable and potentially stunt growth due to lack of available capital. Operating without these 4 key bank accounts can expose your business to risks such as cash flow issues, tax penalties, and financial mismanagement. By separating your finances into these specific accounts, you not only gain clarity and control over your money, but you also safeguard your business's financial future and ensure compliance with necessary financial regulations. Consider consulting with a financial advisor to set these accounts up correctly and make sure they align with your business operation and growth strategy. That's all I wanted to hit on today, because when you get things going, you don't have these set up and cause some problems down the road with finances and taxes and things of that nature. So that's all for this one. Share this with someone that can help, and let's help more people together. Again, until next time, go out, elevate your lives, elevate your businesses, and we'll talk to you again soon.